Hello beautiful, blessed and amazing people, welcome to my channel, welcome to Eggplant Fashion. Yeah, this is the girl, the lady behind the scene. Yeah guys, this is the channel where you can find all kind of delicacy, the continental, the Caribbean dish, what kind of recipe you need, you will find it on this channel. Yes guys. And so guys, are you new to this channel and you have not subscribed? Consider to subscribe, please. Subscribe to my channel. Have you? Thank you for subscribing. And also the notification bell icon, click it so whenever I upload any video, it will pop out to your mail. Alright guys, thank you for doing that. And so guys, I really appreciate you if you have been following and stopping by to this channel, for your following me for long. I'm saying thank you so much. With my grateful heart, I am saying thank you. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me. Please share my videos, share it to your friends, share it to your family. Tell them there is this channel there is this channel that they should check out to this channel. Okay, right guys, thank you. We are here to support each other. God bless you. With that being said, let's dive into the kitchen for another recipe. Let's go there. Thank you. All right guys, this is the ingredient that I will need for this recipe. Okay, today menu I'll be making Gizegg eggplant. All right guys, so those are my eggplant, my 2 heaps of eggplant, my red bell pepper. Yeah, can you see the size of the eggplant? The red bell pepper, the green one, my 2 medium onions, 2 carrots, 1 spring onions, and some long red pepper. Okay guys, yeah, any chili you want for this, any pepper you want, the green, the red, the yellow, anyone will be fine for this recipe. Okay, yes guys, so this is my eggplant again. As you all know, we've been seeing a lot of giz dodo, giz jollof rice, giz stew, but today I have this idea and I really want to share it with you guys. Okay, yeah, whatever idea I have, whatever recipe, I have to share it to my family. Yeah, we have to learn from each other. I have to share my recipe. So now I've gone ahead and put some medium-sized onion. I'll put some about 2 bay leaf. All right guys, then I'll go ahead and add my 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, half teaspoon of curry, my black pepper, all right guys, so I'll go ahead and add 1 Maggi cube. You stir that together. Cover it, and then I'll go ahead and put it to the stove, on the stove. So now I will cover it without any water. As you all know, gizzard has a lot of water when boiling it, so we don't need to have water to it while boiling it. So while that is on the heat, I will go ahead now and slice my eggplant. Okay, just try as much as you can to slice it in cube form. All right guys, yeah, can you see how? And that is it. If you're a lover of eggplant, just try to take it to another level by following this recipe. Guys, this recipe was so yummy. Be mindful of your finger while cutting it, okay? Cutting your veggies. So just make sure you slice them as little as you can. Just go ahead and slice it in a uniform size. Whichever way you want to slice it is okay, but I'll be doing this now. This is the way I want to slice mine. And then your onions too. I just want mine to be in a ring form. Slice it like so. Alright guys. Gizegg is Giz eggplant is very easy to make. Alright guys, very easy. It doesn't require any stress. And it's all around veggies. As we all know, vegetable is good for the health. Alright guys. Yeah. So you just follow the process which I'm using now. Be mindful of your finger. Knives are not friendly to fingers. While cutting, you just have to be mindful. So you go ahead now and as well slice your chilies. Just go ahead and slice it like so. And so that has been sliced, and my gizzard is all ready. Can you see all the water that came out from the gizzard? It has a lot of water, so that's why you don't have to add water while boiling it. All right, guys, make sure you do not add water to your gizzard while boiling it, else you will lose all the taste. All right, so now we go ahead and start to slice the gizzard like so. If you can leave it to be a little bit cold before slicing it, but because I'm in a hurry, it's just a fast one, so that's why I'm slicing it now. So I'll go ahead and fry your gizzard. Can you see? You fry it until golden brown and crispy. So, coming over to the eggplant, you spray your pan with some spray oil, and it's not necessary. It's optional. If you have other vegetable oil, you can use any vegetable, any oil will be fine for this. All right, but make sure your oil are not too much. Just this quantity. Just spray on the pan. Then you cover that. Leave it on a very, very low heat. These are the vegetables that I sliced earlier. Can you see how they have been fried and sliced? How uniform it is? Can you see? So I'll go ahead now and start to fry my vegetables. Just fry until the juice are out from it. It doesn't require much fry. So you go ahead now and add the blended habanero pepper. There are some garlic and ginger in this pepper while blending it. I'm sorry I did not show earlier. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and fry that a little bit. Now I'll add my curry. Blended dried onion, my black pepper. Just any spice you can lay your hand. Any seasoning, yeah, you can lay your hand is fine for this recipe. Add your Maggi cube. some salt to taste. You stir continuously because we wouldn't want it to stick at the bottom. So lastly, we'll go ahead now and add all the veggies. All right, guys. Now the veggies are in now. Go ahead and stir properly to be well combined. All right, guys. And so you cover that and allow that to heat for about 5 minutes. I love my veggies to come out crispy, so this will not take us less than 5 minutes to just settle together. And then you add your, now at this point I will go ahead and add my gizzard. You stir that properly. Can you see? Wow, yummy. Guys, really, I'm not exaggerating. This came out so lovely. You allow that to cook for about 2 minutes, just for the juice to go into the gizzard. All right. So now go ahead and add my eggplant. Yeah, this is really yummy. Try this, guys. Try this recipe. Try it. And so, guys, thank you for stopping. God bless you. Make sure you click the subscription bell button. All right, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumbs up. All right, guys, until next time. Can you see? Wow, yummy. Your Gizegg eggplant is ready. You can enjoy this with your